How bad do I look in this? Not great, I'm sure. Thumbnail. Wait, hang on. Thumbnail. Okay, we're done. We're done with that. I don't want to be one of those people who always says like, hey guys, welcome back. Let's just start this like it's a conversation. We're friends. We don't always have to introduce yourself to each other. Nope. I've made some like shorts on here, and I posted some old shorts that I got from TikTok on here. So what I think the last thing we did was like Pandora. I'm fucking wrong. We did a bag tour. In addition to the bag tour, I finally found the Charmed packages from Walmart. 10 plus pieces. Your bag's new bestie. And this is the Pretty Picnic option. They have tons of little optiones. Love them, love them, love them. I went with the bunny. I may get another one if I feel like it, because I really like the So Chic one. It was adorable. It's like the, it's that little chick right there. Hopefully it's focusing. It's that little chick right there. And I really liked her, but I don't know. I just feel like this was the vibe today. What is the best way to film this? I think I'm gonna bring you in a little closer. Hello. I'm gonna be unboxing this. Let's see what is in here. It's not a blind box or anything. I am like big into blind boxes. I like presents. I like giving myself little gifts. Now that I have a pretty good job, I do it more often than I should. I'm ripping this shit apart. Ah! Oh my god, okay. So, there are little Charmies. But then, oh, this looks like, oh my god, okay. So this is the motif of my first ever teddy bear. I will insert a picture of him when he looked fresh and clean. Should have gotten scissors. So get into it. This is our little bag friend, and these are all little Charmies that go with it. I love. Okay. My rabbit's like, what the fuck? This is, what's her name? Comment below what her name is. I can't decide. Oh, this necklace is stiff. Oh, it doesn't go all the way around. Okay. I thought this would be like something you could take off and also wear as a bracelet. It stops right there. I am not super happy with that, but she is very cute. Look at her little bows. I love her. A little strawberry. Got a little strawberry. A little cake piece. One of those little cream round wrap cakes. We got, I almost said strawberries. We got cherries. And we've got a bow with the little Charmed logo on it. Taking that off. The rest of everything is like silver, and I'm more of a silver girly. And gold just doesn't, I have gold on my necklace. But for the most part, gold doesn't fit my aesthetic. I'm very much like moon and stars, which reads silver to me. You know what I'm saying? And like water, I'm a water sign, that reads silver to me. I don't want to know if it doesn't. You don't have to correct me. Whose channel is this? How do you do them? That's how I interpret Catholic masses. I saw someone that I went to school with today. Ugh. And then I was actually really good friends. Well, pretty good friends with. Really good friends, pretty good friends. And I still really like her. But, God, I didn't have the strength to introduce myself. I didn't have the strength to say hi. So I'm sorry, person. If you saw me in Walmart today also, and you were like, I understand. It's not that I don't like you, it's that I could not interact with you today. We have this. See, this is kind of a shitty keychain. This is like plastic. And I feel like the rest of the things have these guys, these like nice metal ones that everyone's using. And I feel like this should have it too. In fact, I may have to break that and redo it. For right now though, it's fine. How long was I doing that for? Silently? My back all hunched, and you didn't say anything? Ah! What's wrong with me? Almost everything. In building a mystery. Holding on. I'm channeling Elijah and Marnie singing that in Girls. I love the show Girls. It is a character flaw of mine. There's like holes in the gingham. There's holes from where I pulled out that thing. It's almost like I should have just cut them and not pulled them. It's almost like I'm fucking 30, almost 31, and I should know not to do this by now. But I can't stop myself. This is crazy. This is coming out crazy. I feel that I maybe shouldn't have done this way. There's nothing wrong with this. It just feels a little bit crazy to me. I ruined the reference photo. Okay. Oh, you're not supposed to put them all on there. You're supposed to spread these out around your bag. I'm trying to make one big bag charm. Bagagua. Don't summon Bagagua. It's looking great. It's certainly something. This is a fun project. Check plus work. Charming bag charms. I also liked the Spring Fling one. That was like a black cat, but I didn't really veg with it was like springy charms, like really like neon, like sun, rainbows, spring, and I just wasn't about that. Oh, my back popped so much. Okay, make sure that we're recording. Yep, we're good. Okay. So, to celebrate this bag charm, we're gonna put it on a bag that it absolutely does not go on. We're gonna put it on the Austrian tapestry bag. It looks nice, right? We're gonna make it look cheap. Okay, that's fine. Do I want it to be like kind of, nope, that's crazy. I want it to be a little like that. I like the way you do it right there. This looks so bad already. I love it. There we go. Oh, there we go. There we go. I'm rocking with Mark because Mark's rocking with us. Okay, that's stupid. Charming. The charm bag charm of charms. I was charmed by it. They have like 2 other stuffy versions and then 3 really cute like dolls, like girls, and I was very happy with it actually. I liked doing that. I think it's adorable. I think that you could easily build on it and like, I don't know, like I think it's good. So I like to just get charms and bag charms and like use whatever as bag charms. I'm currently building my like good luck bag charm from scratch right now. I like started and I got like a 4-leaf clover and an omamori and a rabbit's foot, ethically sourced, of course. And I am like building that. I also like taking things that I get from blind boxes that aren't necessarily keychains and making them into bag charms. I think that's so fun. But if you don't have that kind of like intuition, you know, like you don't really know what you want, but you think things are cute, this is a very fun way to do it. You get a chain. Oh my god. You get a chain. You get a purse pal. You get stuff to make it however you want it. Now, I didn't really do a ton of customizing. I just threw it all on there. It made sense to me to show you guys all of the stuff. But, oh, it goes with the sheets and everything. Oh my god, so cute. So cute. But anyway, it makes sense to me to like, I don't know, get this. It's cute. Listen, I thought it was a little pricey. It's $20. For something like that, I think you could like get the stuff to make that. Although if you got all the stuff at Five Below or something, it would probably come out to about $20. But you could get stuff around your house to make it. But if you are in the mood, if you are so inclined, I thought this was really fun. So thank you, Charming, for not sponsoring this video. Fix that. Because I really want the little girl. She has blonde hair and she's like in kind of a Chanel look. I want her next. but I don't need her. We don't need to overconsume. We don't need to overconsume, but I want to. I wish that it weren't harmful. You know, like there are so many things that I like wish I could do. Like, I don't know, man. Drugs. I wish that it weren't harmful. I feel bad. Because yeah, it makes you feel great for a second and then it ruins your life. I wish it didn't ruin my life. I've never done drugs, but I assume it's nice for a millisecond. And then you're toothless and in jail. So, yeah, I don't know. I wish that I didn't have to fucking recycle. I think it's so annoying. I wish that I didn't have to do it. I wish I didn't have to do my part. But like, if everyone thought like that. Also, I think it's just so annoying because like, I think that like, that's fine. We don't have to get into it. I'm just saying, it's not my fucking fault that the oceans are drying up and the fucking ice caps are melting. You know what I mean? That's a Jeff Bezos problem. Lift up your community with bag charms. I slept with this blanket last night. It has Katniss Everdeen on it. It's real scritchy, but did the trick. This has been so fun, you guys. I hope that you like my little bed filming space. I'm really trying this. I'm really trying. She's really good. I'm really trying to like put out content that I like and that you might like, so. Comment below if you want to see anything specific from me, if you just like videos. I did like a Pandora haul charm thing, necklace building, because that's what I've been interested in watching recently. And I did the bag tour because that's what I'm interested recently in. And now I've done an unboxing because that's what I'm interested in recently. Basically, I'm just a copycat, and wish I hadn't done that. Anyway, I'm gonna go eat a delicious dinner that has not been made yet. Maybe drink some Mountain Dew. Who knows? Tomorrow's Friday. I love Rebecca Black. She's so fun. She's queer. Love that for her. Never mind. Okay, bye.